1-800-2468-751 to get this special offer by using a discount code KLG.
Hi, Pat Walsh here for the month of November. American River Flooring is extending their friends and family discount to everyone who comes in. Means if you're thinking of any type of new flooring in your home or office, now is the perfect time to call the team that I trust in my home. American River Flooring in Fair Oaks, 916-961-6100.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. Now through November 28th, earn 2 times rewards points when you purchase participating items at Safeway for You. Download your exclusive digital coupon in the Safeway for You app and start earning 2 times rewards today. Then use your rewards on groceries or discounts on gas up to $1 off a gallon. Redeemable at participating Chevron or Texaco stations. Limit 1 offer per household. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at Safeway.com/for-you.
Hey, Armstrong and Getty here. Did you know there's a way to outsmart COVID if you get it? Now there are medicines that can treat COVID, whether or not you've been vaccinated. Which is great news, especially if you're over 50. If taken in the first 5 days of having symptoms, COVID medicines can help stop the illness from getting serious. Call a healthcare provider or the statewide COVID hotline at 833-422-4255 to learn more about COVID medicines. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health. Fires are becoming more unpredictable, and charred soil is increasing our risk for flooding. Knowing your flood risk builds resilience, and having flood insurance gets you disaster ready. Visit floodSmart.gov/wildfires to get ready and stay resilient. Visit Craveable.com, CraveBLE.com. Authentic restaurant meals delivered. Enter AG25 for 25% off.
Hi, I'm Danny Shapiro, host of the hit podcast Family Secrets. What happens when the person you idolize turns out to be someone else entirely? And what if you were kidnapped by your own grandparents and left with an endless well of mysteries about your